Alright guys, we got a Tundra by Toyota. 5.7 liter beast, I-Force, powerhouse. And he's got a pedal commander in it, so it gets, you'll see guys when he pulls off. 4 converters. I don't know why Toyota does this, but they do. One here, one there, and one there. Then it comes already from the factory, true-dualed into the muffler. So we took that off and installed the Borla Pro XS 40349 right there. As you guys can see, Borla Pro XS 2.5 inlet, 3-inch outlet. Installed it into his factory tailpipe out the back, and then we installed a sexy Natami black dual tip 4-inch right there out the back to complement the wheels, so it looks really nice. Just a nice truck all the way around, guys. Here it is from the side, really clean, really nice. It's a beautiful truck. And there's the muffler that was on it. It's dual in, single out. So when you guys need to order a muffler for it, make sure you guys order dual in, single out, okay? And there it is, right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, you know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and smash that subscribe. Here we go. And like always, guys, we really appreciate his service. He is a veteran, so I want to shout out to him for being a veteran. We really appreciate everything that our veterans do for us. Oh, that's clean. He didn't want anything crazy, just a clean, deep tone. He wanted people to hear him coming. That's clean. That's a good sounding truck. Oh yeah. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. One more. Right at 103. And the nice thing about Borla, no drone, and it's quiet at idle. So if you need to sneak up, you don't give it gas, you just roll. I ain't hinting nothing, but yeah. There it is. Nicely done too, not overly done, just clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys. All right, Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. On this one, we did a true dual setup. Let me show you guys. He's got a skid plate so they don't steal the cats. He's got a total of 4 high flow cats on it, 2 on the manifold and 2 rears. Then it was usually into a single. We cut it out and installed custom X pipe, custom Super 10 Flowmaster. There'll be a link in the description for both. Here's the part number on the Flowmaster. And custom 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into some sexy 3.5-inch rolled angle cut tips right there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it, and like always, like, comment, and subscribe. The muffler that was on it is right here, dual in, single out. Tailpipe that's on it's right here that we took all off. All right, guys, we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Perfect. It's a lot deeper. decibels. Right at 105. Again. Do we get a thumbs up? All right. He likes it. If he likes it, I like it. I'm happy. And it blends in perfectly with the chrome and everything. Yeah, it's clean. Oh yeah, that's a nice tone. Sounds so much better with an X pipe on it too. Don't you guys agree? I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra. See, I'm working on my Toyota. You guys always make fun of me. I don't mind. You guys can make fun of me. I don't care. I got thick skin. Flowmaster Super 10 True Duals with X-Pi. All the way back. And high flow cats. That's why it sounds so good. Because it's got high flow cats too. Perfect. That sounds so nice. I like it. All right, guys, 2020 Tundra lifted beast. Look at this thing. It's huge. I like the chains on the front. That's cool. Custom bumper lights, everything. So what we've done on it, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then he had 3-inch ran all the way back and had a muffler on it. So we took it off and put straight pipe in its place. But I said, we don't have a 3-inch all the way back true dual on a Tundra. So we like, okay, we'll hook them up, do a video for them, let you guys hear it. So that's what we did. We did a muffler delete on it. Had a Flowmaster Super 40 on it. Took it off, ran 3-inch pipe out the back on each side there and there. Fixed his hangers for him, added some hangers on it. Into massive 5-inch angle cut tips out the back there and there, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, real clean. There it is, 3-inch system all the way back. Just gives it a lot deeper tone. There's the Super 40 that was on it that we cut off right there. Flowmaster. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go. Toyota Tundra 3-inch tailpipes. True dual. So much better. Yeah. That muffler was choking it, man. Again? Right at 119. One more.
Just got back from Colorado.
Really? How was it?
Great, Three Mountains. This Leopard Summit.
Wow! I think his buddy's jealous. Yeah, his buddy's jealous. Yours is louder. It's so loud. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. He's gonna rip it for us different. Okay. Tundra 3-inch all the way back. And his buddy's getting ready to drive after him. There's the drive up one. who won, Toyota or Silverado? Got you guys a double header. So which one won, guys? The Chevy or the Toyota? Let me know in the comments. Oh, that's clean. He didn't want anything crazy, just a clean, deep tone. He wanted people to hear him coming. That's clean. That's a good sounding truck. Oh yeah. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again. One more. Right at 103. Perfect. It's a lot deeper. What do you think? You like it? Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. Again. Do we get a thumbs up? All right. He likes it. If he likes it, I like it. I'm happy. And it blends in perfectly with the chrome and everything. Yeah, it's clean. Here we go. Toyota Tundra 3-inch tailpipes. True dual. So much better. Yeah. That muffler was choking it, man. Again? Right at 119. One more. Oh yeah, beautiful. Perfect. That sounds so nice. I like it. There's the drive up one. So who won, Toyota or Silverado? Got you guys a double header. So which one won, guys? The Chevy or the Toyota? Let me know in the comments.